Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel and today I'm going to be cleaning out my wardrobe. Behind me is obviously my wardrobe, and let me just say, I don't think I could fit another item in there. So it is time to look through it and get rid of the stuff that I don't wear or don't need or just don't want in my life anymore. I am super blessed to be able to receive a lot of gifted clothes from brands, and I'm so grateful for that. But it does mean that I need to keep on top of what is in my wardrobe and do clean outs every few months probably. And I've kind of let it get on top of me this time and I really need to go through it. I'm going to be grouping things into keep, donate, or sell. I am going to be selling a bunch of my clothes. I think I'm going to use Depop. If I figured it out by the time this video is up, I will link it down below, and if not, go follow my Instagram because I'll definitely let you guys know on my Instagram when it's all going to be going up and everything like that. Welcome to my wardrobe. This is it. As you guys might be able to see, it is so full. Like so full. This is just half of it, and then there's another half behind here that has pretty much like dresses and skirts. This is mostly just tops. I've got a clothing rack that I'm gonna bring over and hang everything on that and then go through that because it'll be a lot easier to be able to go through things, because right now it's too full to be able to like move things properly. I'm gonna start with tops, I think. Okay, so here are all my tops. I definitely have too many. I think what I'm going to do is ask myself, have I worn it in the last 6 months? Depending on if it's a really seasonal piece, like if it's a huge jacket or something, then I may not have worn it in the past 6 months because it was summer or whatever. I'm also going to ask myself, do I love the piece? And then also, do I love it on me? Because sometimes you can love an item of clothing, but it just might not suit you, might not suit your body, might not suit your style, and that's okay. So I'm just going to try and keep those things in mind. We'll start with the little tiny like tube tops kind of thing over here. I think I'm going to keep both of these. I actually really love both of these pieces. This one is so like frilly and girly, but it looks so cute under a cardigan with some jeans. It's just a classic outfit. And then this one I always wear when I go to like a fancier event. It just looks really nice on. This one I really love, but firstly it has a huge stain on it, and secondly I don't remember the last time I wore it. So I might have to throw this one out because it's just like badly stained. If they're in good condition, I will donate them if I don't want to sell them, but that one just is not. I have a few of these little like ruched tops, and I think the only one I'm going to keep is the white one. Next I have this little one and then a black tube top. I really like the black one and it's super good quality. It was a bit more of an expensive piece, so I'm going to keep that one. But this one I don't think I've ever worn. I just don't think it's very comfortable. It's not in the best condition either. It didn't really last very well, so I think I'm going to chuck this one out. Or actually I might donate it. These ones are like 3 tube tops in 3 different colors, the exact same item from Supre. And I do like the practicality of these, but I just don't think they fit me very nicely. The black tube top I have, it's a bit more cropped. That one is such good quality and it really hugs your figure, where these ones kind of bunch a bit funny, so I think I'm just going to donate these because I don't think they're worth selling. This shirt I really love, but it's just super old, from the men's section of Cotton On. I think I'm just going to donate this one. I got it for like $5 from the sale section anyway. I went through a stage where that was all I used to wear, just like men's t-shirts and jeans, and I've kind of grown out of that, so there's no point keeping it. I'm going to keep this black t-shirt. These 2 Thrills tees I love. I also love this little striped tee. This one I think I can get rid of. It's just a Cotton On tee. I got so much wear out of it when I first got it, but I just don't think I need it anymore. I have so many t-shirts that I need to be strict with myself on which ones I keep. Grey v-neck is a necessity. This is a little tee that I cropped myself and I actually really love it. It's perfect for the summertime. I won't be wearing it during winter, but I will keep it for summer because I do really like it. Plain white tee, amazing. Love that one. This one, I think it's so beautiful, but I don't remember the last time I wore it. I'm gonna keep it, but if I haven't worn it by the end of next summer, I'm gonna get rid of it. This one, I don't wear it a lot, but it was my grandma's and then it was my mom's, so it is a very sentimental piece to me. I don't think I have that many sentimental pieces, so I will keep this one. This one I really love. It's just like this little polka dot, like off the shoulder thing. I love it, but I never wear it. I'll put it in the sell pile and we'll see. I really love this one though. Just never wear it. This one, on the other hand, I think I will keep. It's just a little tie-up top with polka dots on it, and I think it's so beautiful. I haven't worn it yet, but I really need to because I love it. This is just a plain black top that I actually actually do wear, so I'm gonna keep that one. Little cropped black tee, which I do wear. A little peplum black tee, which I wear. A little ribbed tee, which I wear. Another black tee, which I wear. Have a lot of plain black tees. This little top I haven't actually had for that long, and I love it. I think it's so cute. It has little daisies on it, so I think it's adorable. Gonna keep that one. This one, I really love it, but I like never wear it. I think I might donate this one. This is my plant mom tee. Of course I have to keep this. This was a gift for my 21st birthday. I love it. This is such a fun t-shirt. I don't wear it that often, but I love it. I think it looks so stinking cool. I think it might have a stain on it a little bit, but I'm gonna wear it. This little khaki tee, I literally hardly ever wear it. Same with this one, I basically never wear it. This one I do really like. It's just navy and white stripes. It's perfect for the summertime to wear with just like white shorts. Like it's just a go-to outfit. Same with this one. I love a good classic striped tee. So perfect for uni because you can just chuck it on with a pair of jeans or shorts and you're done. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had this one. I really love this actually. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that one. It's so beautiful. This is literally from like Big W, but I love it. Also gonna keep this one because it's beautiful and adorable and perfect. This one is super thin and like raggedy, but it looks so cute under a dress, so I am gonna keep this one. I love this one, but I don't really reach for it that often. I wore this to the Billie Eilish concert, so super fun memories, but I think I might sell that one. Also think I might sell this one because I just never ever reach for it. I think it's just a little bit too pink for me, which might sound so dumb. I would prefer it to be a little more muted, I think. And I have the exact same one in white, which I really do wear, so it won't be missed. This one I can donate. This one I might try and sell. This is one of my favorite tops ever. If you can't tell, I love tops that have a little like, I heard someone call them a cupcake tee the other day and I'd never heard that name before, but just kind of like a little frill at the bottom, baby doll style kind of. I don't really know, but I love that one. This is just a really good tee. I love that. I also think this one is so beautiful, so I'm gonna keep that one. These two I don't really reach for. They're really good t-shirts, but I have so many good t-shirts, so I don't think I'll really reach for them. So I think I might donate both of them because they're both kind of old, so I don't think it's worth selling them. This one I love. That one's a good tee, and this one I also really like because I thrifted it and it's like a Lacoste polo and it just looks so stinking cool, so I'm gonna keep those ones. This one, I do like this one. I do really like this one, but it's so old. I think I will keep this one. This one I love. This one is such a good basic, but I never wear it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This one is so cute. I love it. Look at the little polka dots. It is so adorable. This one, I'm gonna donate. Gonna keep this one. Gonna keep this one. Keep this one. It's just a tiny little white tank that's really good to wear under things where you don't want them having like a low V. This one I only got recently and I haven't really worn it yet, but I'm gonna keep it because I've only had it for a little bit of time. This one I'm gonna donate because I've had it for so long and I keep telling myself that I'm gonna wear it and I never do, but I love it. It's so beautiful. This one I'll keep and this one I'll keep. This one I can donate because I don't need that one. This one I love. It's one of my only long sleeve shirts that I have and I wear it a lot, so I'm gonna keep this one. I might keep this one. These ones, I love them, but they just haven't lasted very well. It's the exact same shirt in 3 different colors. They just don't fit me as well as I would like them to. I don't really think the colors suit me apart from this one, but it has all of these white dots stuck to it and I can't for the life of me get rid of them. So I'm gonna just throw this one out because I can't make it better. And these two I think I will donate. This one I love, this one I love. I might get rid of that one. This one I love, this one I love. This is one of my favorite shirts in the whole world. I've had it for years and I love it so much. This one I only just got recently, so I'll keep that one. Love this one. It's just a plain black tee with a little ruffle on the sleeve. So cute. This one I wear a bunch. This one is new, so I'm gonna keep that one as well. We're getting to the end, guys. Okay, speed round. These are all things I've worn pretty recently though. Gonna donate that, keep that one, keep that, keep that. Donate that one, keep that one, keep that one, keep that, keep that, keep that, keep that, donate that one, keep. I've narrowed it down to these ones, but I am gonna go through again and just kind of be more harsh. Let's go. Okay, I got rid of a few more pieces. Now I can actually see the pole in between each piece, which is kind of nice. I feel like it looks like I didn't get rid of that many things, but look at all the hangers that I have. Like, that is a lot. Now we're gonna move on to skirts and dresses, which are all behind here. Here are my skirts. I've got like shorter ones and then my longer ones, and there's a few like nicer pairs of pants and stuff in here too. I feel like I'm not going to get rid of that many of them because I really love them all. I think I might give this to my friend Izzy. I love it so much, but my friend Izzy, who lives with me, borrows my clothes all the time, and she wears this way more often than I do, and I have so many other cute ones too, so I might just give that one to her. This one I really like. This one I'm going to sell because I have another black one which I like better. This one I'm going to keep. This one is the black one that I really like. I love my plain white one. I love this one so much, but I think I am going to get rid of it because I never reach for it. I find it kind of hard to style, and I don't really know why. I think it's just because it's like a little bit of an off-white, so it doesn't really go with white tops, and then I don't really know what to do with it. I love this one. Love this one. How cute is it? This one is pretty new, and so is this one. This one is as well. I love that one. A bunch of these are actually kind of new. Like, this is so gorgeous. I love this maxi one. These are my two Madison Page maxi ones, and I'm obsessed with them. They're my favorite things in my wardrobe, and they've got matching tops for them as well, which I've got on this hanger as well. Then I have these red pants, which I've worn a bunch and I really like them, and then these white ones. I think I'm gonna get rid of the red ones, or sell them at least, because I think their time has come. This white one I love. This white one I've had for too long, and it's time for it to go. I don't know why I still have that one actually. And then this is a little play suit, which I actually really like, or jumpsuit. I got rid of a few things there, not too many, but we're good. These are all my dresses. I love dresses. They are my favorite thing ever, but I definitely have too many. Oh, this is so hard. I'm gonna keep that one. Gonna keep that one. I might sell this one because I've just never reached for it. It is super cute though. This one is just a t-shirt dress, which I kind of wear as like pajamas. I might move that to my pajama drawer because I never really wear it outside of the house because it's just a little bit too long. This one I think is so beautiful and unique, and I'm kind of waiting for an event to wear it too, so I'm gonna keep that one, as well as this one and this one. This one's more of a sentimental piece. This was my mom's and she gave it to me, and I don't wear it that often, but I just think it's so special because it's from her. Ooh, this one is so comfy, but I think its time has come. That one can be donated. Some of these I'm seeing and I forgot that I even had them, and that's kind of how you know they probably shouldn't be in your wardrobe anymore. This white one is one of my favorites. I love it. I have a lot of white dresses. They're my thing. This playsuit is so cute, but I don't remember the last time I wore it. Back in my party days, this was a classic, but I might sell that one. It's so flattering though. So flattering. I just don't really have anywhere to wear it. These two are the exact same thing, but in two different prints, and I don't think I need both of them. Oh, but I like both of them. I'm gonna keep both of them for now. This one I absolutely love. This one I really love, but again, don't really wear it very often. I think I might sell this one. I wore it to the Aladdin musical and felt very nice in it. It's actually pants. So cute. If you guys want it, check out my Depop as soon as I figure out how to use it. This one is just a classic, really easy black dress. I love that one. This dress is like probably the most beautiful dress I have in my wardrobe. I can't even like show you how beautiful it is because it's very like complicated and laced up and stuff, but it's so gorgeous, and I'm just waiting for an event to wear this. I don't know when that event will be, but hopefully one day. This one I love. This one I love. This one I like washed it and it kind of shrunk and kind of fits me funny. It might fit someone who's a bit smaller than me, so I might sell that one. I have a few that are like kind of brand new, but I got them as we were coming into winter. We're in winter right now, and so I haven't had a chance to wear them, but I'll definitely eventually get there. This one, I think it's so cute, but I'm never confident enough to wear it because it's really bodycon, and I never wear bodycon things. I'm gonna keep it, and if I haven't worn it in 6 months, then I'll get rid of it. And the last two ones are beautiful, so I'm keeping those ones. Got rid of a few, not too many, but enough. This is the pile of all the things I'm gonna try and sell. It literally goes all the way down. Oh my goodness. We are all done. Everything is organized and everything belongs there. I'm so happy. Feels so good to be all organized, and yes, I do color coordinate my clothes because it makes it so easy. Can you tell me what my favorite color is? To wear anyway. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Like I said, I will be selling a bunch of these things on Depop, and if you do want to grab any of them, I'll have all my information linked down below if I figured it out by the time this video is up. If not, make sure you're following my Instagram because I'll give you updates there. But that is all for today, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.